for 17, we have 2 plus square root 7 divided by 5, take away square root 7. Right here, I see I have the bottom is a binomial, so I have to multiply by the conjugate, which would be 5 plus square root 7, and then I do it to the denominator. I need to do the numerator as well. 5 plus square root 7. And so all you have to do is do the inverse for the square root. So then from here, we get 2 plus square root 7 times 5 plus square root 7 divided by 5, take away square root 7 times 5 plus square root 7. So we have a numerator and a denominator. I think it's better for you to check the denominator first, just because if your radicals don't cancel on the bottom, then you technically didn't rationalize properly. Then we can do the numerator. So this stands for denominator, numerator. Let's do the denominator first. 5, take away square root 7. 5 square root 7. So we have the quantity of 5, take away square root 7 times the quantity of 5 plus square root 7. So 5 times 5, you get 25. Then 5 times 1, you get plus 5 square root 7. Then right here, 5 times 1, negative 1, you get 5 square root 7. And then square root 7 times square root 7, you get plus square root 7 squared, or 49, and square root of 49 is going to be 7. So right here, same index, same radicand, those cancel then. So for our denominator, we have 25 plus 7, which would be 32. So this is our denominator, it's 32. Now let's figure out what our numerator is. So our numerator is going to be 2 plus square root 7 times 5 plus square root 7. 2 times 2 gives us 10. 2 times 7 gives us plus 2 square root 7. 5 times 1 gives you plus 5 square root 7. And then we get right on the bottom, the last part, square root 7 squared. Only reason why I do this is I like to just visualize it, because it's a square root. It's easier to simplify if you don't put it together, because then sometimes it's not perfect. So we get 10, commutative property, that breaks out to be a 7 plus 7. So how did you get that, Mr. Weaver? I just used what's in front there, took out a 7. And then 2 plus 5 gives you 7, square root 7. So 10 plus 7 it gives you 17 plus 7, square root 7. And this is for our numerator. So our final answer here will be 17 plus 7, square root 7 divided by 32. This is your final answer. This is our numerator, that was our denominator.